Hi, Shade's Kitchen Lover. Today we'll be making moimoi. I mean correct lush moimoi. So here are the ingredients we'll be using. So you all know, before making moimoi, you have to peel your beans. So I blend it to my desired consistency. I added Maggi powder, curry, seasoning cube, and mix it well till all ingredients is well combined. Why making moimoi? I love to be generous with my vegetable oil, which I did. Again, give it a good mix. In an empty bowl, whisk one egg, pour it into your beans batter, and yes, we are getting there. Give it a good mix again and again till you love what you see. Here, I added little water to give me my desired consistency. Who makes moimoi without plenty onions? I added my assorted meat, plenty onions, and mix it again. What you see right there, that is the consistency we need. In an empty pot, add the stick of the leaf with a little water. This is where the real job starts. To all the single ladies and gentlemen in the house, oh yeah, move closer, Joe. If I hear say, know how to wrap moimoi leaf, I don't go agree, oh. Don't mind. I hope you are getting it right. Now it is time to fold it. Calm down. You see this step? I will be repeating it 3 good times. Now take your time and look closely. This is what it should look like after folding it. Now put the pot on the gas cooker, add a little water and cover it up. Moimoi take 30 to 40 minutes to be ready. Tada! Our moimoi is ready. Now I want you to have a good look of this moimoi. Don't thief, don't lie. Ma paro, ma jali, orewa. Now it is time to devour it with something. For me, I will be pairing my with pap. And that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. For watching.